Anna looks at her old wallet. It is very empty. She needs a new bank card. Her old card is broken. She puts on her shoes. She takes her bag.
Okay, let's go to the bank.
Anna walks down the street. It is a sunny day. The birds are singing. She feels happy. But then she sees a big dog. The dog is running very fast. It is running to her. Anna is scared. She closes her eyes. The dog stops. It has a ball in its mouth. It drops the ball at Anna's feet. It wants to play. Anna laughs.
Oh, hello. You are not scary. You are funny.
She throws the ball. The dog runs away. Anna continues to the bank. Anna goes inside the bank. It is very big and cool. There are many people. The line is very long. It is like a snake. Anna waits and waits and waits. She looks at her watch.
Oh no, this is slow.
Suddenly, a man in front of her sneezes. It is a very, very big sneeze. He makes a loud noise. Everyone looks at him. He is very red in the face. Anna tries not to laugh. Finally, it is her turn. Anna goes to the desk. The bank clerk is a young man. He has a big smile.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hello. I need a new card, please. My old card is broken.
No problem. Can I see your passport?
Anna opens her bag. She looks for her passport. She looks and looks. Her face is getting red. She cannot find it. Oh no. She looks in her pockets. Nothing. She looks in her bag again. She takes out a banana, a pen, and an old ticket. But no passport.
Is everything okay?
I think I left it at home.
It's okay. It happens every day.
Anna is very embarrassed. But she remembers. She has a photo of her passport on her phone. She shows the photo to the clerk.
Perfect. That works.
He types on his computer. He prints a new card. He gives it to Anna.
Here is your new card. Have a nice day.
Anna is so happy. She takes the card. It is so shiny and new. She walks out of the bank. The sun is shining. She is ready for coffee.